Hello class. Today is our topic for compiled design will be top-down predictive parser. So my name is Kushal Goel from IC College Engineering and Technology. We'll discuss some topic regarding predictive top-down predictive parser. So our subject is compiled design RCS 602 for new students and NCS 603 for old students. Let's start the topic. Top-down predictive parser. A predictive parser is an efficient way of implementing recursive descent parsing. Since a stack is maintained in predictive parsing for handling the activation records. In top-down parsers, the grammar will be able to predict the right alternative for the expression of non-terminal during the parsing process, and hence it needs no backtrack. Backtrack is a process in which then we go forward in a wrong direction. We go back to the last saved state, or you can say last safe saved state to go on another track, or you can say on another method, or you can say on another path. So let B tends to alpha 1, alpha 2 tends to alpha n are production in the ground. Then during the parsing, parser has to decide that B is to be expanded or not. In predictive parsing technique, parser can exactly decide that which production of B should be used to depend used to expand B. Basically, predictive parser looks at the next input symbol and find out which of the alpha of I drives to a string. मतलब which production drives to a string. That start with the terminal symbol comes next in the input. The dollar marks the bottom of the stack and also end of the input string. The parser is initialized with the starting symbol of a grammar on the stack top and the input pointing to the first token. So it is the example of an name table. It is a parser program which is connected with M table. It is our stack on which some of the production or even symbol is there, and above x plus y dollar is an input string. Dollar is on the last of the input string. So M table is 2D table created for the grammar. So it is a predictive parser diagram. Thank you class. It's all for today.